So you're on our How It Works page. So that means that you probably want to know how it all works. How do you get paid? How do we give you your offer? How do we close? How all of this works, right? Well, right now on this video, I'm going to tell you all about it. And what's more, I'm just going to show you. Let's imagine that this house or one of these houses on this block is your house. And you're thinking of selling your home. And you see, well, the neighbor's house recently sold for $200,000. I think my house should sell for $200,000. Except that your neighbor took down the dilapidated porch and is rebuilding the deck. Putting on all brand new siding. Is replacing the floor. Is putting in all new electrical. Is adding a bedroom. Is adding a master bathroom. Has added a walk-in closet. Has replaced the roof. Cleaned up their yard. So as you can see, our offer is based only on numbers. It has nothing to do with how desperate you are or how in need you are to sell your home. That doesn't matter. It's purely on the numbers, okay? We know how much your house will sell for once we fix it up. We know how much money we have to put into it to fix it up to get it to that point. We subtract those two numbers and the rest is our offer to you. It's really that simple. That is it. We give you your offer. If you like it, we go to closing in a couple of days, a couple of weeks, a couple of months, whatever works for you. We go to closing, you get your check, we get the keys, and we part as friends. It really is that simple. All right, so let's recap. What is our offer consisting of? How do we get to it? It's a simple mathematical equation. We take the ARV, which is the after repair value of your home, right? Then we subtract from that the amount of money we have to put into it in order to get it to that point. Then we take out our business's minimum profit. We are a business, right? And the rest is yours. We come up with an offer that works for us. If it also works for you, that is wonderful. We go to closing, you get your money, we get the keys, and we part as friends. Get your offer started right now by clicking the button above, below, or next to this video. Fill out the short form, and we'll be talking in a little bit. All right, have a great day.